YouTube, what's the word? We back again with another one, SS Family. Man, it's been a long week. I've been dealing with stuff at the car lot. Pipe busted open. Had to pay my buddy to get everything back together, man, out of about $1,500. So I'm like, man, here we go. You know, it's always something. It was about -3 out here. Once the temperature rose up, it was about 40 degrees, and you know, that's when the pipe decided it wanted to buzz. I didn't even know it was frozen inside of the drywall, so I had to get the pipe fixed and put in new drywall, and it's just been a long week for me. So, but other than that, man, you know, I'm always on the hustle, always on the grind. I got to slide up here to my car lot, jump a few cars off for one of the guys, and move him out the way so he can get his tow truck back there, get a few cars out. Then I'm gonna slide on my man's, go check out this 9.6 Impala. I seen it before, never really paid it attention like that, but he want to sell it, he want to get rid of it. So I'm going to see what's to it, kind of get a better glance at it, but I don't know, man. And in my mind, I'm probably not going to buy it because I really ain't got no more room for no projects, nor do I got the funds right now to be trying to do another project. You know, I love the 9.6, but I don't know, man. So we're going to check it out, and we'll just go from there. So I'll catch y'all in a few. I'm about to hop up in the truck, and I'll catch y'all in a few minutes, man. All right. Too cold for this shit, man. Too cold.
YouTube, we back with another one.
Shit is 55%.
Yes, Lord. Young 5'3". Yes, Lord. Come snatch the motor out this raggedy motherfucker. You can have it. What else we got on the lot? It's a lot walk. 3288. 4788. 200. Come get it. Yes, Lord. Got the lack.
Hey, you seen the key out? I ain't found the key to that motherfucker.
To what? All the it should be in there. Yeah, it's in there. Black truck. Equinox. Fusion. $39.88. A+ Auto Sales. Let's go. box. That's the type of shit we got to deal with around here, man. Clowns. Oh, that bitch just bumped hard. This bitch is a piece of shit. I'm finna take it out the gate. No, you, hey. Should just leave it right here, right, just in case it die.
Yeah, you can just back it up.
Yeah. Yeah, you good.
So we slid on my boy with the 9.6 Impala. It's been sitting for a minute. Like I said, I seen this car before, but I never really paid it too much attention. And he said he finally ready to let it go. Now, you know me, I love a good project, and I got mad respect for the 9.6 Impala. The big body LT1 is a real street legend. So I told him, yeah, bet, you know, I'll come check it out. So you can see under the hood, the LT1, but it's looking kind of rough. It got rust on the accessories. Wiring looking suspect, and I already know the second we try to fire it up, once we put a battery in, it's either going to do nothing or start making sounds that cost money. And that's before even getting into the transmission. Who knows what kind of shape that's in. And that's just the mechanical side. When it comes to the restoration of the interior, like, man, you can see it was shot. I'm talking the cracked dash, the door panels hanging on, barely hanging on. Headliner was sagging like it gave up years ago. And the seats, man, listen, whatever was living in there, they left a mess. And I don't know if it was mice, squirrels, or a combination of both. It had a little smell to it. Not just an old car smell. It's had a smell like something was living in there. It was kind of bad. The leather seats was torn up. You got the cushion coming out. The carpet was straight up ruined at that point. I already knew this wasn't just a fix-up. It's going to need a full restoration. Motor, trans, rear end, body work, interior, suspension. The whole car got to be redone. So I still hollered at him. We was talking numbers. You know, this my guy, man. He real cool about everything. He ain't trying to finesse me or nothing. He knows a project and he's keeping it real. He just want to see it go to somebody who will bring it back. And I respect that. I hate seeing cars just sitting right away. So the fact that he trying to let it go before it get worse, that's pretty solid. And you know, if the price right, normally I'd take on a project like this. I am a car guy. Trying to get away from projects like this too, but it's in my blood, man. My pops, he was a car guy too. He taught me everything I know. He not here anymore, but every time I get my hands dirty under the hood, every time I bring a car back from the dead, I feel like we right back in the garage together. And you know, that's why I do it, man. I do it for the love. It's the memories in it. It's lessons. And that's my way of staying connected to him, even though he not here anymore. But at the end of the day, I had to tell my homie straight up, like, bro, I can't take this on right now. And it's not because I don't want to, it's because I already got my hands full with the 86 Monte Carlo. That bill's been draining my wallet, testing my patience, and I still ain't done. Every time I think I'm close, something else come up. And that's just how it goes with these projects. You already know you're going to spend more than expected. And that's the thing. It's not just about buying the car. Even if he gave it to me for free, it still wouldn't matter. I still be spending thousands just to get it right on the paint, the interior, mechanical work. All that adds up real quick. And I can't afford to have 2 unfinished projects sitting around. That's how you end up never finishing anything. He understood, though. It's no hard feelings because he knows I'm already deep in the Monte Carlo, and that's my main priority. I told him, look, man, I hope it goes to the right person. It is a legend, and I meant that. Somebody out there has the time, they got the money and the focus to bring it back, and I hope it lands in the right hands. But me, I got to stay locked in on the Monte Carlo, one project at a time, and when that thing is done, it's going to be worth every dollar, every late night, every setback, and best believe when I hit the streets, it's going to be a head turner. So I'm going to have to pass on this one. And, man, good luck to anybody that bad. Now, we'll talk it over again. Maybe in the future, I can double back. And maybe we could turn this to a project so we can make more content for the channel. Y'all just drop a comment below and let me know. Should I try to get it for the right price? Well, both parties could be happy. Like I said, it'll be more content for the channel. But I'm kind of trying to stay away from this because I done had heavy projects before, and like I said, it take a lot of money and a lot of time, and I don't got neither right now. But I will be listening to what the people say, what y'all say. And man, I just appreciate y'all watching. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Until next time, y'all take care. I'm out. Peace.